EKO just gifted me their automatic foaming soap dispenser, and I'm excited to check this out as I love the quality of EKO products. So let's unbox this and put it to the test. This is one sleek dispenser and it holds a lot. It holds 8.5 ounces, and this would be great on a kitchen counter with your dish soap. It would also be wonderful in a bathroom with your hand soap, anywhere where you don't want to touch it, but you want to get your hands cleaned, because it has a sensor right here, right next to the dispenser. And if your hand goes under that, that is what will alert it to give you an amount of foamy soap. And you can ask it to give you 3 different levels of foam. So we'll put that to the test in the moment. But on the top here, it has this getting started sticker that explains how to use it really quick. But once you pull that off, the top is just this pretty stainless steel. All of it is designed to be very durable, last a really long time. And the top, when you push it, it will pop out, and then you can just pull it right off. It has the silicone seal, and fill it up with your soap of choice. And then you just pop that right back in. On the back side, you have your power button. This is also your control button to have it go into different foaming modes. And then it's rechargeable with a USB-C port on the back. And it does come with a USB-C to USB-A cord to charge it. And finally, the bottom does have little rubber grippers, so it's not gonna go anywhere. And it has this view line to alert you when it's getting low and needs to be refilled. On top of all of that, it also has a light right here, which will notify you if your battery is low or what level foam you're getting. So let's fill it up and put it to the test. So now it is ready to go. And if I hit the back power button right now, it's going to just do 1 level, a little bit of foam. If I hit it again, it'll blink twice, and now it's going to do a little more foam. And if I hit it one more time, it's going to blink 3 times, so now it'll give me the most foam. And all I do to make it work is put my hand under it. And it gives me a perfect amount of foam. So here's a level 2, a little bit less, and here's a level 1. Just a little bit. Really nice. What I love most is that it's not dripping at all on my table. It's just sticking to my hand. It's really impressive how consistent it works every time. And I love the quality of this foam. It just feels really nice to wash your hands with foam. I love that I don't have to touch it. So it's definitely a nice hygiene addition, and it just feels really good. This is an exceptionally high quality foaming dispenser that would be great in commercial and residential applications, by kitchen sinks, bathroom sinks, workspace sinks, wherever you need to wash your hands hygienically. This has got you covered. The EKO Foaming Soap Dispenser.